In this video, I'm going to show you how to move and arrange layers in Photopea. Sometimes a project will include more than one image from the internet. So I already have one image of a cute kitten here, but maybe I need another. You can never have too many kittens. So I can find this image right here, right-click, copy image, go back to Photopea, hold down Control and V, that's V as in Valentine. And that second image should hopefully be popping up. Sometimes my computer's a little slow. Here we are. Okay, so maybe I'll use the Move tool I have multiple, so I can delete a layer by right-clicking on it and clicking Delete. But I want to resize this image right here because it's a little big. I want to be able to see both images, at least a little bit. Just like that. Okay. So I have two adorable pictures of kittens here. But this kitten, the long fur, is kind of hiding this kitten that's frolicking in the grass. I can fix that using my layer control panel on the right-hand side of my screen. Think of layers like a stack of photographs. In real life, if we had a stack of photographs, we could switch them around so that different photos are on top. You can do the same thing here with your layers. All you need to do is click on a layer and drag it down to another place in the pile. So you can see here, my computer's a little delayed, but now you can see that now I have moved this kitten down so that the kitten in the grass is on top. And now you can see both adorable kittens. This is going to be extremely useful, especially as we add more and more images to a project. So if I grab this kitten here that looks just a little bit sad, and I'm pasting it in with Control V, that's V as in Valentine, we have kitten number 3. And maybe I'm going to resize him a little bit. And I want to come up with a different arrangement so I can shuffle them around by clicking and dragging my layers to see whichever is best. Maybe I want to go just like that. Now, I can also rename my layers because right now they're all just numbers. I can rename by double-clicking on the text of the layer. So you see that? I clicked right on the text and I can type in, I can call it grass kitten. I can call it sad kitten. I can call it fluffy kitten. And that will help us keep track of all of our different images. That's it for layers.